Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at my dad's Subaru to see what we actually need to do to get it fixed and what the damage is, to find out what parts we need. So yeah, we're going to have a look at this today and we'll go from there. As you can see, I can't see any real big issues underneath the vehicle. It's looking a bit rusty and it's been on axle stands for a while. There was a bit of crash damage into the rear quarter panel that you'll see in a second, and I think the rear drive shaft might be a bit crispy. But yeah, I can't see anything really wrong with the back. It needs a new driver's side tail light, but that's about it. And there's a bit of damage on the arches, as you can see. That's the damage on the rear quarter. I know it's right near the fuel filler, which is a pain. As you can see, there's some damage there. The old strut looks fine, it looks just a bit crusty, and that bit there we just sort of need to sort out and figure out and go from there. But as you can see, it looks a bit bent, if I'm honest with you, but I think it just needs to be cleaned off and organised and actually figure out what's going on. I can't really see anything heavily bent, unless you boys can see something that I can't, because my eyes are wafty, and we'll see what we can do. But yeah, I think it's just taking it off and seeing what it's actually bent, well, cleaning it off, trying to, either because of all the corrosion, maybe sandblaster it. But yeah, I was trying to get some angles in there, and my angles were shocking. But as I say, yeah, it's been on axle stands for a while, so everything you know is going to be corroded as anything. So you need some rear tail light, a bit of lower bumper needs to be fixed. It's a bit dented in there as well. But anyway, thanks for watching guys. Let me know what you want to do. If this video does well, then we shall get it all done and figure out it from there. Thanks very much. And remember guys, if cabbage can, you can too.